Welcome back to Stack. Again, my name is Double O Kenny. Yes, today my partner Brendan is out. Why? Well, it's out on a mission for us to come together and put together a studio. But in the meantime, I'll be running the show today. Brendan will be back soon. Today we're going to be going over some Metaverse crypto coins, and we're also going to be going over, let's see what we got here today. Yes, how's Metaverse going against, the Metaverse coins doing against the Meta, Facebook itself. Also, we're going to be talking about India. What are they doing with crypto over there? We're not sure yet. And of course, Macy's, the big store, adopting NFTs. That's what we're going to be talking about in the news today. So let's go right into it. Today, as I mentioned earlier, we're going to be going over those little crypto coins that everybody's wondering about, see what's going on. So Metaverse coins, what's going on here today? Let's take focus and see what's going on with Engine. Engine is one of those cool Metaverse coins. Everything is popping up today. We'll be taking a eye on them for a while. And again, not financial advice. If you are looking into investing in Metaverse, anything Metaverse related, and probably want to maybe invest in the crypto coins themselves and not the actual software or service provider companies, this is some of the coins that you might want to take a look at. Engine, Mana, Sand, and RNDR. So let's take a quick look at those real quick. Engine real quick here. Looking at the daily chart, we have here, oh wow, a nice bullish channel going on there. If you had got an Engine, let's see what is that, November 16th, last week, you will be up a few percentage right about now. I won't take all the time to do that, but yes. Should I be getting Engine right now? That would be the next question. Let's look at the 4 hour to see if the trend is still pushing up. You don't want to buy the top. So right now, Engine has crossed the 1%, the 100% Fibonacci, which is at $3.92. Should I still be buying Engine? The next candle opened above that, and it kept going. So it's currently going for the 1.6.18. Whoa! If it opens a candle above that, it's gonna keep running. That is for sure. Let's go back to the daily chart real quick to see what's going on here. It's already touching the 1.618. Man, what's going on with Engine? This is very strong for Engine. This might continue the trend. If this next candle on the daily opens above that Fibonacci line, we should have a continuation of this bullish channel for Engine right now. Everything looks super bullish for the Metaverse coins as I'm looking at it right now. I'm not sure what else. Let's look back a little bit real quick to see what's going on. Is there any resistance level right there? Well, it has crossed the previous high, so it's currently at a new high. So there is no resistance level for Mana right now, so that's good news. If you are currently for Engine right now, if you're currently in Engine, I have some. I tend to want to buy the bottoms, but I could be making a mistake here. This baby will never come back down. The price action is above the moving averages, the 20, the 50, the 200. Awesome Escalator is also up. The TTM squeeze is also up as well. There's a lot of buy action going on. Don't get tempted to chase, but Engine is moving. And we might have a bear market and it might come back down and you might be able to get it cheaper. But if you want to play the bull, play the bull. It's dangerous, but good for you. Of course. Next, the Central Land, Mana. Ooh-wee. I have this guy. I don't have enough of it. I never have enough of coins. This is also above all the moving average. Oh, jeez. If you had this in October, a month ago. Oh my God. I need to do this. I need to do this. Let's give me a second here. I need to do a quick ruler here. $540%. 540% if you invested in Mana way back in October. I think I've had some Mana since October. I have to go look into my portfolio, but I don't think I have enough Mana. I just never have enough Mana. And I keep saying, oh, it's too expensive, get it cheaper. Kenny's always trying to get a discount, and the price action is leaving him. Ooh-wee. It's crossed the 1% Fibonacci. Hey, again, this is one of those things where I'm like, oh, it's gonna pull back. It usually always pulls back. When is it gonna pull back? I can't miss this action. It's already crossed the 1 to 618 on the 4 hour, and the new candles open above that. That's extremely bullish. Oh my goodness. I think Mana's gonna keep running for a while here. I don't know what to say, man. 50 minutes, 45 minutes, what's going on there? Oh, that's a little red candle over there. The buy action is still there, so Mana is still running like crazy. Hey, if you're a long-term player, I would say always get it, man. Okay, we might have some interesting trend going on here. So if engine is going up and Mana is going up, but then you have Sand, one of the biggest player, coming back down after crossing the fib levels, we might have an interesting thing going on here. Let me reverse it. Let's see what happens here. Okay, on Sand, it touched on the last 15 minutes. That's why. Let's go back to the daily. All right, on Sand, come on, show me the fibs. Fibs. Oh my goodness. Look at that. This baby ran all the way. Let me change the settings back, reverse back. Excuse me, all that action over there. My gracious goodness. So again, because this is Metaverse, all the Metaverse coins tend to behave the same way. Sand seems to be leading the way, even though it's 24% to 28% on Mana. It crossed the 1.618 Fibonacci at $4.38. And I was like, yeah. Then it opened another candle above that. Like I was saying earlier, if a candle opens above that, it's gonna continue. So for Sand, it has continued, even crossed the 2.618. So this thing has gone parabolic right now. Something is going on. There's a lot of buy actions. Also, musculator is still pointing upwards. Sand is making a run. And if you bought Sand since October 28th, you should be about 800% profits. People say crypto don't make money. What the hell? Anyway, is this trend gonna continue? Is it too late to get in the action? That's the question you're asking, right? Again, not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go and buy crypto with all your money. It's pulling back on the 4 hours. So maybe it's slowing down on the run. Okay, it's coming back a little bit. Let's go to the 15. Let's go to the 15 real quick. 15 or 45. Tell you what the latest action is. So on the 15, it has touched the zero. It's like, okay, I've done all my run. I've made all this money. I'm pulling back. So people are pulling back their profits right now. So there's a big chance that all this run that you're seeing is not going to continue for the rest of the day. People are taking profits heavily, as you can see right now. Also, musculator is all red. TTM squeeze is already squeezing downwards. People are selling, taking profits. This is why I say never chase. So you have to go look at all the different, you always have to look at the different time frames. 4 hours is already showing that people are selling on Sand. It's not showing on Mana and Engineers, but it's going to fall over eventually. Daily chart on Sand is still showing, but you can see in the candle right there that the sell pressure is coming back down. I don't think it's going to come back all the way down to the zero though. So maybe at this one is when I'm going to get in and stop saying, I want to buy a chip. Can you want to buy a chip? No, the sucker is not going to be cheaper. Everybody's getting in now. Render. Okay, RNDR. Well, this is also showing the trend already that, Rend is, it's another one like Sand that kind of gives you the trend in advance for those Metaverse coins, and it's already showing a red candle. So if you got an alley, I need to go check my portfolio. Maybe I need to sell some, take some profits, come back and buy it cheaper. Interesting idea. But I should probably post the video and go check my portfolio real quick. I think it looks like I made a lot of money. I don't have a lot of the shares though. I need to add on, because by this time next year, we could be talking about Solana money. Solana kind of money. Imagine I have several thousand shares of Mana, and then I become $20. That's how you make millionaires. All right, this is beautiful. Let's go to the news real quick. Dun, dun, dun. Make the soundtrack. All right, so now we're gonna talk about right away, Matter. How's Matter doing compared to the Metaverse cryptos? Well, let's read the article real quick. This is coming from Tim Frax. This was written today. Tim, what you got for us? Following Facebook name change to Metaverse coins have been seeing price rises in an emerging subcategory of cryptocurrencies. With a market cap of 938 billion, Meta price swings are within single digits, while new Metaverse stars are rapidly gaining ground. Anyway, I've read this article already. We're going to make this article available in the video. Basically, what they're trying to tell us is that Facebook changes them to Meta, but Facebook is not getting the gains in the price action. Let's see what Facebook is doing real quick. How's Facebook doing? FB. Facebook Meta. How's Facebook doing in the charts? So yeah, Facebook is not doing so well. Well, it's 8-0, it's coming back down. So maybe Facebook is going down as well, which is also reflecting in the Meta action. But we'll see. But yeah, but compared to this is Facebook charts. Compared to all the Metaverse coins, by the way, if you want to look at some Metaverse coins, you can check out the article. We have a long list of them, but this is what they're tracking. We have what we're tracking as well. Sandbox, I just showed you all that stuff. So all these coins have their advantage and what they do, but you might want to check them out. Check out the article as well. It covers a lot of what those coins do, what this Metaverse are like, what you can do within this Metaverse. Most of them are gaming actions. Facebook is trying to bring in money into the business environment. But yeah, enjoy that. We'll make this article available in the video. Next, India. So as you know, countries like Nigeria has banned crypto, India as well, which are two major countries with lots of population. If you can have entire nations or continents like India adopt crypto, just imagine what the price of mana will be by next year. So there's this article here that says that India seems to be changing their mind. Like, how about we just tax them like the US instead of banning it? I make a ton of money. Well, let's see. So the Indian government is considering a proposal that changes the status of digital assets and marks them as the financial assets that are not accessible to small investors, according to Bloomberg. See, this is what they do. This is what these countries do, and this is what crypto is trying to change. All right, so now you have to be an accredited investor to invest in crypto. That is kind of what India is looking at. So not everybody can invest in crypto. So they want to make it investment assets. It's okay. It's a financial asset for accredited investors, but not for everybody. And that's not what crypto is about. Crypto is let's make lives better for everybody. So the Indian authorities are looking forward to finalizing the bill presented by the Prime Minister Modi that will be presented to the Parliament on November 29th. So in a couple of days. What does this thing say really? The previous posted description of the bill implies that the policymakers still have the ability to change certain points of the future law. Previously, the bill would limit all private cryptocurrencies. At the same time, the description does not specify a definition of private cryptocurrency, in addition to making that it will offer some exceptions to promote the use of cryptocurrency. So, well, they want to promote the use of cryptocurrency, but they want to limit the kind of people that use it. We'll see how this goes. Again, governments working for themselves to fill their pockets instead of working for the people. Hopefully, crypto can turn that around. We'll see how that happens. Bitcoin doing its magic. All right, to the next topic, Macy's. You know, I used to shop a lot at Macy's before COVID, and then COVID hit, and I'm like, I don't need all those clothes. I can invest all my money. Well, by the way, Macy's has been doing awesome. The wife was like, hey, let me buy some Macy's. I'm like, oh, it's too expensive. Let me buy some Macy's. Oh, it's too expensive. Kenya was looking for the discount. But look at that price action on Macy's. If you had Macy's since last year, let's say this time last year, you got Macy's at $6.73. Guess what? All the way up to $37. It's currently at $32.98. So, not financial advice, we invest in the stock market and we also invest in crypto at the same time. So Macy's is doing this thing. Macy's is up from $6. Let's see, what's the price action on Macy's since this time last year? This time last year to today, Macy's is up 410%. Look at that. So yes, so Macy's is now getting involved in the NFT market, and as you know, NFTs are the biggest thing. People think that they're a big bubble, that they're gonna bust someday, but if it's gonna bust, hey, a balloon for Macy's NFTs might bust. So Macy's is gonna be giving away some NFTs. I'm going shopping to Macy's tomorrow then. In that case, let me go get some Macy's NFTs. But yeah, this is the news. Nothing major here. Just the fact that Macy's is giving away some NFTs. The Macy's NFTs Ethereum-based token, so it's based on Ethereum. Oh my gosh! If they give me 20 cents worth of Ethereum token, and it costs me a huge amount of gas fees to get it out, that's not going to make any sense. But yeah, let's see what it says here. The Macy's NFTs Ethereum-based token on Polygon network donates 10% of every secondary market sale to the Wish Foundation. Make-Wish Foundation, same market. Yeah, so what you buy from Macy's, they give you an NFT and they give 10% of that to Make-A-Wish Foundation. That's a nice deal. I like that. So yeah, Macy's in the NFT space, go to Macy's and go shopping. Hey Macy's, send me some money, man. I can get this going for you. But yeah, that's what we got for today. Macy's in the NFT space, in there, changing the law. Maybe they might be like, okay, all right, we can buy crypto now. And of course, Meta coins are going crazy. So yes, guys, have a wonderful day. Thanks for liking and subscribing our show. And yes, we'll be back. In the meantime, in the next few days, it's gonna be just me and you guys. Brazil will be joining us back soon. And yeah, have a wonderful day.